Chapter 6. Build web pages using HTML. Objectives. By the end of this chapter, students will be able to understand the meaning of markup, define the terms, elements and tags, create the structure of an HTML document, apply basic text formatting elements, differentiate between container and empty elements. We know that World Wide Web is a medium composed of websites over Internet worldwide. We use a software called browser such as Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Firefox to visit Internet. Browser shows us the content of a website which we visit on Internet. A website is a collection of hundreds of web pages which are linked with each other. Browser displays a web page at a time. What we see in the web page is created by the help of a technique called markup. This technique is a simple way to mark the content of the web page, how it should be displayed in a browser. When you show your homework to the teacher, your teacher marks the mistakes in it to tell you what changes need to be made. Similarly, you can mark up text to tell the browser how a part of text should be displayed to the user. Notice a sample output of a web browser here. This is something we do with the help of a markup language called Hypertext Markup Language or HTML. What is hypertext? All the part of text that is marked up to be displayed in a different way is called hypertext. In our example, the text fat, thin and love each other very much are hypertext. In this chapter, we shall get familiar with the basics of HTML. We shall discover how a HTML document is created and learn techniques of simple markup. Note, Tim Berners-Lee, an English scientist, brought up the idea of hypertext. He brought together his hypertext idea, the Internet and other related techniques to invent World Wide Web, the cyberspace of linked web pages over Internet worldwide. Understanding markup. Consider the following text. Here you need to display the words fat, thin and love each other very much as bold, italics and underline respectively. Now see the same text with little changes made. Here B, I and U are the letters enclosed within a set of and. These are called tags. This is the syntax of HTML to distinguish a tag from normal text. Tags are always enclosed in a set of and, as you see here. B denotes bold, I signifies italics and U stands for underline. As soon as browser encounters a tag, it applies its effect and that effect continues over the text until browser is told to stop it. In our example, browser encounters B just before the word fat and begins applying bold effect. But how does the bold effect stop right after the word fat? Well, that is done by the help of another tag that looks like B, but with a little difference. The difference is if a forward slash, like this, /B. This is the tag to stop the effect of tag B. So, bold is denoted by a start tag B and a corresponding end tag /B. End tag has a forward slash in it. Similarly, the end tags of I and U are /I and /U respectively. If you miss an end tag, then the effect of the start tag will continue further. Start and end tags are also called opening tag and closing tag respectively.